Finally, the universe has decided to put a smile on my face. If she stays and makes me happy, I will just turn her world around and make her enjoy a blissful moment till the end of her life.
Father, I want us to talk about something important. First, you did not give my mother a befitting burial. You have never showed me her corpse or where she was buried, which is a problem. So tell me, or better still, show me my mother's corpse or where you buried her.
Can we not talk about your mother and talk about the empire that is on the verge of collapsing?
Is this empire more than my mother's life? A woman that dedicated her blood and sweat to make sure you are where you are today. What did you give her back? You paid her by cheating on her.
Bobby, your mother will be given a befitting burial. But first, let us chase this dangerous imposter who is trying to run the empire that I built with my flesh and blood.
No! The empire my mother built with her sweat and blood. Yes. She's always awake at night, making possible plans to make sure you succeed, to make sure that empire was built. And you paid her back with cheating.
Right. If we continue this battle and an enemy run this empire down, will you like it?
I don't care. I do not care. The next time I visit, if you do not show me my mother's corpse or where you buried her, you will regret having me as a son.
Do not threaten me like that. You should consider too that I'm a human being.
I mean every word of it. Watch and see. So you want to sign this surety form for that girl? It won't work.
What do you mean?
Stop! What? Stop! Stop! It will not work. It will never work.
What are you doing? Obi! Stop! Stop! No! Stop! Wait! Stop! What? What have you done?
It will never work.
Obi, what have you done?
I just stopped you from doing what makes you happy. It's not all about you.
Even in dream, he's still hostile. Hello, Zazu. Good morning. I want to see you now. All right. Yes, come in. Good morning.
What will you eat as your breakfast, sir?
Wait until Miriam returns. Wherever she eats, I eat.
Okay, sir. A woman is outside to see you, sir.
If it is not Miriam, I am not available.
Okay, sir. Emma, his personal assistant said he has gone to hospital for checkup.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
In that case, I have to come in and wait for him.
You want to wait until he's back from Lagos?
Sorry, I didn't know the hospital is in Lagos.
Yeah, from Lagos.
Sorry to ask. Was my daughter here yesterday?
Not at all.
Are you sure?
She was not here yesterday, ma.
It's okay. I will come back tomorrow.
Next tomorrow will be better, ma.
Oh, he will be back next tomorrow?
next tomorrow.
Okay, next tomorrow it is.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma.
You are greedy, you are selfish, you are a god digger, unfaithful people. No trust, no respect.
Why are my people sitting on the floor? My friend, stand up and get back to your duty post. You keep bringing illegal officers to intimidate and harass me every now and then. Enough is enough. I won't take this anymore. You, what are you doing here?
You are under arrest.
I'm under arrest.
Officer.
What for, if I may ask?
Investigation.
Officer, please. We are not here for question and answer. You are under arrest for impersonation. Say it like you mean it. Say it like a man. Please pick him up and let's go.
Officer, if you were smart, you would have asked for my identity.
You know who you claim to be.
Please, excuse me. Listen, there is an order from the high place to pick you up and treat you like a thief that you are. You hear me? You cannot deceive them like you've been deceiving others. Officer, do your job. You were well paid for this. Pick him up and let's go, please.
I don't blame you, you spoiled brat. Officers, I know your mission here is illegal. Leave my compound because if I sue you for damages, you see, Gamma. Do you even have warrant to arrest me? No. I repeat, leave my compound because if I sue you for damages, you will never ever pay.
Officer, do your job, please.
Get back to it.
Officer, use this thing. Is this thing not working? Shoot it up! Shoot it up! Officer!
Madam.
I paid you. You were well paid for this. Were you not paid? Were you not paid for this? Arrest this man and let's go.
Madam.
I don't understand. I paid you for this. I paid you both for this. So you can't arrest him. You can't arrest him. Oh! Oh!
I wish
the stamp and the seal.
You know, your mother is a key player in the contract. It won't be fair I stamp and seal the surety form without her being present.
I told you she's out, and I don't know how long she will stay over there.
Where did you say your mother went to?
She went to Nairobi. She had an emergency. You know, doctors and emergency calls. She likes to save life.
Oh, I do that often. You know, saving life is important, you know. Oh, but I've made up my mind to do this.
To do what?
Well, I want to get this deal off my table. I must stamp, seal the shorty form and take it to you. So you forward to your mother so she can as well send it to them. It's as easy as that.
Oh, please stop. You're pulling my legs, right?
I'm not pulling your legs for anything. I mean what I'm saying. And I mean it.
But you told me a few hours ago that the stamp and the seal haven't been sent.
Well, I said that to know how you will react. I've seen that you are not here for any benefit. And for that reason, I must append my signature, put the seal and the stamp on it.
Oh.
It's that easy, I must say. So, where is the surety form?
It's upstairs in my handbag.
Okay, can I get it?
Of course.
Get it. Collins!
Sir!
Come. Go get my stamp and the seal.
All right, sir.
Quickly. You can't live with them. You can't stay without them. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, you're here?
Yes.
Here we go.
Just a jiffy.
Yes.
The stamp and the seal here.
Okay.
Oh, there we go.
Thank you. Oh my god.
Is she?
My mom will be so happy.
I know. Wonderful. That's it. I see. See, it's one of those things. I keep saying that good luck comes once in a lifetime. And
Of course.
you know, oh, let me do the needful.
Okay.
That's the way it is.
Yes.
I remember when I was in Glasgow for one of the seminars on the pharmaceutical upliftment in Africa. I was happy when they were pending their signatures for me to be a major distributor
Wow.
in East Africa.
Wow.
Your mother is so lucky to be a major distributor here in Africa.
Oh yes.
West Africa.
She will be so happy.
How could I be played by my own child? Beatrice. Ọkwa na osisi kwuchiri ụzọ na-anụ ube mma.
What a brave man who does not feel afraid. Yeah. He conquers fear. His name is Obina. He's well prepared. fearless man. All the women were Jeben okay. His name is Obina. Obi Dynasty. Fearless man. His name is Obina. Obi Dynasty.
It's 15 years now. It's 15 years since you left. Yet, the pain has refused to leave my heart. Nothing makes sense in this life without you. Mama, you should have waited a little longer.
This is what you cannot see, Papa. Wake up to one of Billionaire. He's a grown man now. His name is.
Mom, what happened? What happened?
Your father. It's not alright.
Somebody should help! Somebody should help! Somebody should help!
Where are you going with your bag?
Father, I'm leaving. If you don't tell me what happened to my mother, you will see my two legs in this house again.
Obina! Obina! Obina!
It is time to see my father. Black!
Yes, boss.
Get the car ready.
Okay, boss.
What a brave man who does not feel afraid. Yeah. He conquers fear.
Ikenga, when you get into, do call me, huh?
I will do it. Just in case everybody is
I will.
His name is Obi Dynasty. Obi Dynasty. The fearless man. The fearless man. His name is Obi.
Ah, see who's got here. Happen now.
Uncle, how are you, sir?
Oh, look at you.
Longest time.
You almost a ganga turn of a human being. Look at you. Looking quite bunchy, man. Ah! Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Ah, what a day.
So, Uncle, how have you been?
I'm fine. You're welcome. Ah, so we tried reaching you via the Nigerian ambassador, but possibility was very, very slim.
Okay, I was not available at that time.
Ah, I'm glad you're back.
How is my father? Where is he?
Your father left for Egypt with a certain young lady. You know, he's been on wheelchair for a year now. Yes.
So who is the lady?
I wouldn't know what her name was, but she's been helping your father for some time now. You know.
Okay. Tell him I was here when he returns.
Huh? Are you leaving so soon? The servants are here. They can serve you whatever you need, please.
Uncle, this place reminds me of so many things that makes me angry.
I know, but son, you see, it's been 15 years now. You have to let it go. Your father needs you. We need you. Please.
I've heard you, Uncle.
It's okay.
I have to go now.
Meanwhile, let me have your name.
Okay.
Good. Here we are. Very well then.
Aguna. Uncle.
Finally, everything is getting better.
Madam, what are they looking for?
I'm here to see Chief.
Madam, Chief, I know deal. Chief, I know the Chief, I don't come out. I don't travel.
I said I am here to see Chief.
Well, Chief, I know there for Nigeria. Chief, I just come out for one day. I can't come out to come travel. Come out for Nigeria. I know there for Nigeria.
Chief is not in Nigeria.
You are.
Okay, it's okay. Did you see my daughter here?
Well, I don't know for your daughter. Who will be your daughter?
The lady I came here with the first day you saw me in this compound. That's my daughter.
Wallahi, I swear for Allah, I no sabi am for your daughter. I no sabi am for anybody that they call am for your daughter.
What is going on? Okay. When is Chief coming back?
Wallahi, everywhere problem. Wallahi, Chief are not telling me when they come back for Nigeria. I not telling me anything. I just come out. I not telling me anything, madam. Wallahi, tell you are the give am for me problem. Wallahi, man. I go ask me this one.
It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. I will be back.
Sorry, Sapi.
It's okay.
Yo, man.
What is going on? Miriam is not here. She's nowhere to be found. And now Chief left the country? Something is not right. Something is not right. Something is really cooking somewhere.
You are greedy, you are selfish, you are a god digger, unfaithful people, no trust.
Odogu, my brother. Odogu, my brother.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Oh, I see.
Good to see you back on your feet again.
All thanks goes to this wonderful girl.
Thank you,
I
my brother.
owe my life to her.
You don't say.
Yes.
Look, we need to celebrate this. Look, I have some palm wine left in the house. It's inside the fridge.
We don't need all of that.
Adomo, we need it. We need it. We need it. This special thank you for this, my daughter.
Oh my goodness.
I'm coming.
Oh, I see. There you go again.
That's right.
You know, he's fond of this.
I know. Come
So,
on, baby, we'll have to go in.
Does it? I like a routine check on the exercise, right?
Baby step.
A
One
baby
step
step?
at a time.
I got it. Are you all right? Are you all right?
Yeah.
What's going on?
I think what we did in the bed must have healed fruits.
Oh, my chippy tank. Yes, I am happy. I am happy. Yes. Oh, come close.
You're not angry?
Why will I be angry? Why? I mean, I can't wait to see this wonderful boy who will not allow me to suffer in loneliness.
Oh,
He's a special boy.
you're happy? Oh my goodness.
I'm happy. I mean, this boy is a special boy, and
Of course.
I know he
That's
is
a special boy. So sorry.
All right.
Sorry.
Baby step, right?
Baby step. Come on.
This boy is wonderful.
Oh my God.
And I know you not going to do nothing but to sit in bed.
Odogu. The sound of
First flower.
Odogu. You know what? Today is the happiest day of my life. In fact, this very month, is the happiest month of my life.
Who's else here?
Nah.
Words cannot be enough to express how I feel.
I know. Joy has come. In fact, I'm in a state of euphoria, ecstatic mood.
I see.
Yeah. Obi returned to Nigeria. He came here with his 2 legs. He said he'll come back when you return.
Well,
Who am I?
who's else here?
The way I feel is undescribable.
If I tell you the latest news, you will just jump up and touch the roof.
Yeah. Share with me immediately now.
Keep drinking. The news is for another day.
Odogu. If you say so.
Fresh palm wine.
Very fresh indeed. As fresh as anything can be.
This is it. You know, it's been a while.
Yeah.
There in Egypt, nothing like fresh palm
You
wine.
don't say it.
It's been a while.
On the end of an exile.
So that is it.
Chief, someone is here to see you.
Who is that?
A woman, sir.
Oh, unavailable. I do not have any appointment with nobody. So, tell her to come tomorrow. I'm discussing with my brother.
Okay, sir.
In fact, tell whoever it is that Chief is not around.
All right.
Can we still get this?
Oh,
From the...
Hello, ma'am. Chief is not disposed to welcome visitors now.
Did you tell him it's Okibo's wife?
I know my job, ma'am.
Okay. Let me wait for him.
No, you can't wait for him, ma'am, please.
Do you know who I am?
I'm not here to know who people are. I'm here to work and get paid.
them get out.
Please, ma. I don't want to embarrass you. Please. Please.
So Miriam blocked my lines, hijacked the contract, and disappeared. If this is true, I will forget that she is my daughter. I will deal with her without looking back. Asnaka matadron ni enjono. Mana anyu baro kwere ike. Abodi aka wenyo ya. Miriam. No one dares me.
Hello? Yes, I'm the one. What? But it has the signature on it. The stamp and the seal are not original. How is that even possible? I mean, I was there when it was signed by the CEO of OBI Dynasty. Ikenga Farms, yes. Oh no, please check again. Are you sure of what you're talking about? Hello? Could it be that this man played a fast one on me? How could you do this to me?
Do what?
Why did you use a fake stamp and seal on the surety form? I just got a call from my mom's agent telling me that it's all fake.
So why you're angry?
Is that why I'm angry? Is there not supposed to be enough reason for me to be angry? I gave you my heart, my body, my soul, my time, everything. And what did I get in return? A fake stamp? I mean, don't I deserve better? Tell me, don't I?
I'm sorry that it happened that way. Perhaps I mistakenly used the old ones instead of the new one.
So all of a sudden you can't differentiate between the old ones and the new ones again, right? Don't you know that single act can terminate the contract?
They will not terminate the contract. They've already put call through to me, and I told them it was a mistake on my side. I'll fix it by tomorrow, okay? Do not fidget.
Okay.
But your mom is not really trying at all in the whole process.
Oh, that's because she trusts me on this. She trusts I can handle the project.
The bed has been made for just two of us. So let's go to bed. The sun has gone to bed, so we must go to bed. Come on, put a smile. Yeah.
Try and fix it, please.
Yes. There's a signature that brings money
Yeah.
to the table. Yes. Right, baby. Quickly go get the ink from the guest room. Let me do the finish.
Okay, sure, my love. The ink. Come.
Morning, Father.
Oh! Obi! Welcome, my son. Welcome. Sit down. Sit down. Oh, my goodness. How has it been?
I'm blessed. How are you?
Thank God. You just spring around and then boom. Good to see you. Honey?
Yes, my love, I'm coming.
So, this is Miriam, the young girl that helped me stand on my feet again. It's wonderful. Yes.
Are you now living with my father?
She needs our help, son.
What help?
They want us to sign this surety form.
I see.
Please let me have the ink.
Yes,
I have already appended my signature, so you can start.
All right, then.
I think that is the way I wanted to do it, but not legal yet.
This will be all for now.
Excuse me. What are you saying?
OBI dynasty and Ikenga fan can never be part of this.
Father.
You heard me well, Father. You don't know this lady here too well.
I know her as much as I should. This is the girl who saved me from being physically incapacitated. She's the one who assured that I traveled and got successful with the surgery in Egypt.
That doesn't mean you know her too well, Father.
Okay. Don't get me angry. Let me have those things.
If I get you angry, what will you do? Kill me the way you killed my mom?
Stop referring to me as a murderer!
Father, this will not work. As for you, stay away from my family. Go and fix yours. I'll come back. We have a lot to settle.
He's going. He's leaving with me.
Obi, you are trying me. Obi, wait. Obi, don't stretch me that far. I'm warning you. Obi, come back here.
Try me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me. I'll kill myself on this couch right now. Just try me.
You will not do this. I promise you, I will fix this.
Leave me alone.
It's a promise.
Leave me. I just want to die. I just want to kill this baby since you've chosen to pay me like this.
Please give me this knife. I've called Jesus here to talk to him. He will do that. He will listen.
You're even supposed to be soft on your son. Were you supposed to, knowing fully well he's trying to ruin a business deal for me? Were you supposed to? I mean, I did everything to make you happy. I put you back on your feet. Everything. I did everything to make you happy.
See, nothing is going to happen or really a contract. As long as I'm living, trust me when I say that he will bring those things back. He will do it.
No.
Just give me back the knife. Collins!
Let me just...
Collins!
I want to...
Don't do this, Miriam. Don't do this for my sake. Collect the knife, Collins! Where are you? Collect the knife! Collect the knife! It's for my sake. Be calm. Okay?
I give you 3 hours to fix this. 3 hours.
Fix it.
Sir, what happened, sir?
Get out!
Sorry, sir.
Go and keep the knife! Obi is trying me. Obi is pushing me. Why is Obi bringing insults? Is it because I'm imploring for peace otherwise?
They will calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. Does he know how many rivers I swam before I get to where I am today? Did he know about that?
Odogu, you shouldn't be doing this with your son. This is your blood that we're talking about here. And this is why I've been advocating for peace for the past 15 years.
Obina does not know who I am. He does not know how many faces I brought down for challenging me. Obina is pushing me. How dare he put his fingers into my nostril? How dare he?
If I knew where to see him, I would have gone to check on him. I said, I will talk to him. I know he will listen to me. I think I'll call him on phone. I think I'll book an appointment with him.
Do whatever thing you know you will do. I've had it up to my neck. And I don't want to foam. At this point, I don't want to foam.
There's no need to procrastinate. Let me call him on phone. Anna. Yeah, it's me, your uncle. Get it? What? Are you sure? Are you sure? I've no qualms about that. It's alright.
What did he say?
He said he's busy. He'll call me later.
Rubbish! So I have to wait for him before I do what I need to do. Obina is trying me. Obina is pushing me. And if I get to the wall, I will bite you. Calm down.
Is there anything you're not telling me? Because you're pushing this thing too far.
I don't want anything to happen to my unborn child.
What unborn child?
Miriam is going to have my child.
So fast.
Oh, Jose, this question is not important. Just tell Obi to bring those things back. I don't want anything to happen to my unborn child and the mother. She has been threatening to kill herself and abort their unborn child.
Very well, don't you worry. I'll see him when he comes. I'll go and see him.
I will kill that boy. I will kill that boy.
It's your son that we are talking about here, please.
Uncle, I will say this the way it is. My father has been hypnotized. What? By that evil man. The earlier he understands that, the better for all of us. Can you imagine? He tried to sign a surety form for that crook without my consent when I'm in the country.
Yes. I worked for my empire. I have every right to do whatever I wish with my money and my company. Without anybody marionetting me. I'm not a marionette.
No. I won't let you stamp that surety with our stamp and seal. I am also part of the foundation of this empire. A nobody cannot come in from nowhere to enjoy what she did not work for on a platter of gold. It will never happen.
I don't want you to refer to my wife to be as a nobody. You have to give her some respect. She's carrying my baby.
That doesn't change the fact that she's a crook and a gold digger.
Give me that stamp and seal. Now! I won't. Do not make me to disown you.
Do I look afraid? Feel free to disown me. But before you do that, you must provide my mother, dead or alive.
No more words from you. on that, and I will totally disown you.
I'm not in the mood for drama. Dad, I'm not ready for this drama, please. Excuse me.
Please calm down. Let us take things easy here.
I don't want to take anything easy. Who does it take him to bring that stamp and the seal? I am not joking with him.
Now, please, if you are with those stamps, please return them. Let peace reign. Please.
I won't. Mommy, I won't.
Obi, you are trying my head. That's what I want. I am waiting to hear from you anytime soon. Good.
Don't you think you're going too far? I mean, we are talking about your only son here.
When a bird learns how to fly without perching, a hunter shoots without targeting. I am in a full-blown war with Obi.
I mean, how does this sound to your ear, Dogu? I mean, how will it sound to the ear of people when they hear that Ikenga is in a fog of war with his only son?
Miriam is the most important person in my life for now.
What?
I hope this is clear. Yes. Would I be on my feet without her?
Let me tell you one thing before I leave. You've spoken well. Show that boy where his mother's corpse is. Give that woman a befitting burial. And that is the only way that boy can accord you all your due respect.
What a brave man who does not feel afraid. Yeah. He conquers fear. His name is Obina. He's well prepared. The fearless man. All the women wage okay. His name is Obina.
Hello? Hello, babe. Can you hear me? Yes. What is going on? I have noticed that since you returned, you have been avoiding me. I want to know what is going on. Talk to me. Huh?
Hi, Ben. Ben, there is fire on the mountain. Ben, this stupid boy came and ruined everything at the verge of getting it.
You said?
I don't know. At the verge of success, he scattered, he destroyed and ruined everything.
Oh, okay, this is your new plan. This is your new plan. You want to eat alone. You want to eat alone. Let me tell you, if you must eat alone, just know that it's going to choke you. I swear it's going to choke you. And thunder will fire you. Thunder will fire you. And before that thunder fires you, let me warn you. Make sure nothing happens to my born child. Do you hear me?
I'm talking about something very serious. You're talking about you must be very stupid. You must be very stupid. You must be out of your mind. Are you okay? Look at this boy. Listen, if you don't want to listen to me, just get lost. Get lost!
Hello? Hi! Can you imagine? This girl called the call on me.
I'm working on.
You're working on what? Huh? You're working on what? I expected you to call the police on him. But no, you were there exchanging words with him like a woman. You're working on what?
Oh, Miriam. It's not everything that is achieved through violence. No matter what, he's still my son.
Oh!
He has been part of this empire from age 18.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see. He's still your son. No, that explains it. That explains it. That means when my son eventually comes, he will be regarded as illegitimate, right? Answer me now, right?
What are you talking about?
What am I talking about? Is that not clear? Is it not crystal clear?
Miriam.
What?
So this is it. So this is true. How could you do this to your mother? How could you be this heartless? How could you be this inhuman to the woman that gave birth to you?
What do you mean?
I heard that Chief Ikenga has signed and stamped the surety form you created with your own businessman. Is that true?